Welcome to Nehant World. I am Venkat. From this video onwards, we are starting the Python tutorials. This is part 1 introduction. In this video, we are going to look at why Python is so popular and why we need to use Python as a programming language. First reason is Python's simple syntax. With this simple syntax, for the beginners also, it is very easy to learn Python, and with this simple syntax, the code also readable. When we look at the code, it will look more like reading English language. Okay. So second reason is Python comes with multiple domain support. It supports web applications and machine learning, artificial intelligence, scripting, automation, data science, and analytics also. Like this, Python supports market leading domains. And next point here is Python comes with cross-platform support. If you use Python for your programming, your programs can run in any operating system. Okay. And next one is data science and machine learning capabilities. Python comes with data science and machine learning capabilities. Now these two are the hotcakes in the market. So that's also a very good reason to go for Python. And lastly, Python comes with powerful libraries or the packages. So when it comes to the Python libraries, it is supporting powerful numerical calculations and powerful data manipulation and powerful deep learning and powerful machine learning or AI libraries. Okay. So these are the reasons for the Python popularity. In the next video, let us set up the Python environment and start using the Python. If you feel this video is useful, please like and share so that YouTube will recommend this video to many people. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. I'll try to reply that. Thank you.